Question 1. So, anything to the power of naught is 1. If this, for example, had been 7 squared, that means 7 times 7, which is 49. Or if it had been something cubed, say for example 2 cubed, that means 2 times 2 times 2, which would have been 8. Now part 2, standard form. Your answers in standard form always have to have the first part between 1 and 10. So with this number here, where does the decimal point go to give you a number between 1 and 10? Well, between the 7 and the 6. 7.656 is between 1 and 10. And similarly here, 3.05 is between 1 and 10. But note how you include all the digits. Okay, so the 3, the 0 and the 5, the 7, the 6, the 5 and the 6. The only bit you don't include is where you've got lots of noughts together. Now the second bit is times 10 to the power of something, and then the third bit is the power itself. So this is what you've got to bear in mind. If it's a big number to start with, it's going to be a positive power. If it's a tiny number to start with, it's going to be a negative power. So all that's now left is to get this number correct, and that's the hopping along bit. So we've got to end up with a decimal point between the 7 and the 6 there, and it's effectively starting here. So how many hops, how many numbers do we hop over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's to the power of 6. And similarly here, we need to end up with the decimal point between the 3 and the 0. So how many hops is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's where the 5 and the 6 come from. Remember, minus for a tiny number, a positive number for a very big number.